What's good, everybody? It's none other than your girl Jamisi, and today I'm bringing you guys another nail tutorial. Now, I went into Walmart for something completely different, and leave it up to me, right? I don't know how, guys. Right. I somehow don't know how I ended up in the nail section, looking for this kit that I had heard about, right? This is the kit. It's by Color Club, and it's called Seren-Dip-ity. Seren-Dip-ity. I said that so wrong. I don't know. You gotta see it, right? Okay. Retail for $20, which is a really great value, and you get 3 colors, and they're pretty decent size. So you can get, I say, probably 10 manicures out of this, if not more. I might be underestimating it, honestly. Guys, really, really affordable. Pretty sure it's an acrylic formula. I don't know. It doesn't say, but it feels like acrylic, so it's really, really, really strong. I chose to use nail tips on these because my nails were not as long as I wanted them to be for this video, because I somehow ended up with this nail kit in my hand. I just couldn't wait to record a video. I went ahead on and just put some nail tips on. Now, next time I will not use nail tips. I only use them this time for that specific reason, so it's all up to you and what you want to do. But these nails, baby, so you know, and you can get the same effect. Okay, the same effect as long as you follow this nail tutorial. Yeah, but before I let you guys go, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I don't know which side it's on, you know, you see it, you know you do, you know you want to click it, go ahead on and click it. We love you. I want you here. If you don't want to subscribe, it's okay. It's totally fine. I get it. It's okay. You don't like me, cool, but you will like this nail tutorial. Yeah, let's go ahead on and get into the video. See you guys. Alright guys, so again, I got this kit from Walmart. It retailed for $20, and it pretty much comes with everything you need except nail tips. As I said before, I told you guys why I use nail tips is optional and up to you if you want to use nail tips or not. But this is the buffing block that comes with the kit, as well as everything else, and the directions are on the back of the box. And this first color is called Disco Dress. It's really pretty. Purple is my favorite color, by the way. And this is the Montego Bay. And this is the Digging the Dancing Queen. So I already did one hand for you guys because I wanted to show you guys the other colors as well. So yeah, don't be clumsy like me. I ended up dropping Digging the Dancing Queen, and I tried to salvage as much as I could. And so yeah, now I'm only left with a little bit. But this is how that nice teal color turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. Nice summer color. And this is the purple. I also dropped some of that too. Clumsy me, right? Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure you're working with clean hands. So wash and dry your hands properly. And then I'm just taking my buffing block, and I'm just going to gently remove that shiny layer off of my natural nail. And I'm just dusting away the excess with my brush. And then you're going to want to take step 1, which is the prime bond. And you're going to want to apply even, smooth strokes on each nail. And you want to get as close to the cuticle as possible, but of course you don't want to get on your skin because that's just tacky, right? And just apply it to the whole nail. Even. Take your time, please. This will save you in the end with fouling. Trust me. And then dip your nail in an upward motion and just tap off the excess powder, and do the same for your other nails. It's really simple. Okay, so you don't have to do this, but I like to just brush off the excess powder in between layers, and it's gonna look bad the first layer, but trust me, it will not look like this in the end. I don't know why it turned out like that the first layer, but hey, it still worked out. So again, I'm just going over it with the step 1, the prime bond, evenly and smoothly over each nail, and dipping and tapping off the excess. Okay, and then I'm just going to gently brush off the excess powder, and as you guys can see, it looks a lot better. And so now I'm just doing one more coat. So I'm going over my nail again with the prime bond. Still taking my time, making sure I'm getting it even and smooth. And again, just dipping and tapping off the excess. Okay, again, gently brushing off the excess. And that's what we're working with. And then you want to take step 2, which is the instant activator, and you want to apply that generously to each nail. What this is going to do is just lock in, make sure that the nail is very strong. And you have to do this before you foul. And you have to wait 2 minutes before you foul. So it's been 2 minutes now, and this is what they look like dry. And they are solid. So take the rough side of your foul and just foul each nail. It's that simple. Now, if you followed my tips, doing it nice and smooth and evenly, you shouldn't have to foul a ton. Now, I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna make sure mine is right, but you shouldn't have to foul that much as long as you followed my tips and techniques. And I'll also take an emery board, or you can take a smaller foul and just go along the sides as you see me doing so, just to make sure there's no clumps and lumps over there. And sometimes it does get on your skin by accident, and you can just foul it away. And again, this just makes it more professional, more appealing, and just overall, it looks better. So that's what they look like. And then I'm just taking my smoothing buffer. I got this from Walmart. I didn't really like the one in the kit that much. It's up to you and what you want to use, but this was like $2 at Walmart as well. And I'm just using this to smooth the nail and then dusting away the excess. And then you want to take step 2 again, the instant activator, and you want to apply that second coat on the nail again after you foul. And then take step 3, which is the finishing gloss, and you're going to apply 2 coats of that as well. And make sure you cap the end of your nail. Just make sure everything's sealed in, Once you finish your first coat, wait like 15 seconds. That's what the directions say. It dries really, really quickly. And once those 15 seconds are up, just go in again with the second coat of that number 3, the finishing gloss. And like I said, it dries pretty quickly. And this is the finished product. And now I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil, because honey, my cuticles were screaming for it. And so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know if you try this out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you guys in the next video.